The Andaman Islands are exceptionally rich in both flora and fauna, boasting diverse tropical rainforests, mangroves, and vibrant coral reefs. This rich biodiversity includes a high number of unique species found nowhere else, such as the Andaman product tree, Nicobar pigeon, Andaman wild pig, and various coral species. Me and my sister together offer feed to fish. The small fishes were playing around the finger and tickling it for food. We never experienced it before. The crystal clear water of the sea offered a beautiful view of marine life. Nature blessed us in many ways. If you like this video, please like and share, and to get more videos, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.